Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Sobat Hebat Matsa Surba. Welcome back to online English lesson for SMP or MTS Grade 8 with me, Heru Haryadi. Today, we are going to discuss about asking and stating ability and willingness. Before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wabil islami dina wabi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika shalihin. Well, before I explain the material about abilities and also willingness, please look at this picture. Yeah, I have pictures of abilities here starting from fly, cook, sing, dance, swim, surf, skate, and roller skate. Yeah, which ability that you have based on this picture? Or maybe you have another ability outside this picture. Yeah, after you know your abilities, yeah, you can use your abilities to reach your dream, right? So, what will you do with your abilities? Yeah, I hope after you learn this material, you will know your abilities and also you will know what will you do to reach your dream. Yeah. Okay, today's topic are expression of asking and stating ability and also asking and stating about willingness. What's on this chapter? Well, in this chapter you will learn about expressing about ability and also how to ask about ability. Beside that, you will learn about expressing about willingness and also asking about willingness. And in the end of this lesson, I hope you can make a dialogue about expressing about ability and also willingness. The learning objectives of this lesson, you are able to make a dialogue related to asking and stating about ability. And the second one, you are able to make a dialogue related to asking and stating about willingness. Yeah, this is the first explanation for you. You have to know first what is ability and willingness. Okay, ability is the power or skill needed to do something, or the fact that someone is able to do something. And willingness is the quality or state of being prepared to do something. So students, between ability and willingness, it has connection with each other. Okay, expressing about ability. Information to share. It is used to express someone's ability to do something. And then the pattern, if you want to make a sentence about ability, yeah, for the affirmative or positive sentence, the pattern is subject and then followed by can and infinitive. Here the subject are I, he, she, it, you, we, can, or maybe you can use your own name. And then don't forget to followed by can and also the infinitive. The infinitive here, for example, play. And if you want to make a sentence in the form of affirmative, I will give you the example. I can play chess. Something like that. And if you want to make a sentence in the form of negative, the pattern is subject followed by cannot and infinitive. Yeah, this is kinds of subject I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. Or you can use your own name or your friend's name or another person's name. And don't forget to follow by cannot or can't and also with the infinitive. The infinitive here is also play. Yeah, I'll give you the example. Negative sentence here. I can't play chess. I can't play chess. Or he can't play chess. They can't play chess. Okay, next, asking about ability. It is used to ask about someone's ability to do something. And then the pattern is the form of the question. The form of the sentence here is question. The pattern is can followed by subject and infinitive. The example, can I play chess, for example, or can she play chess? And then for the short answer, the pattern is if the answer is yes, yeah, the pattern is yes, and then followed by subject and can. But if the answer is no, yeah, the pattern is no followed by subject and can. For example, yes, I can. Or if you want to answer with no, no, I can't. Yeah, something like that. Okay, dialogue 1. Let's read the dialogue. Yeah, this is the dialogue between Eri and Nita. I will read this dialogue for you. My uncle Anton is a very skillful person. Really? Yes, he can do many things. Interesting. Can he drive? Yes, he can drive. He is a good singer and dancer. He can speak 10 languages. Wow, he can even sew. Well, students, after I read this dialogue for you, let's identify the expression of ability in this dialogue. Well, which sentence that express about ability, asking, or maybe stating about ability? Okay, here I will show you the expression of stating ability. He can do many things. Yeah, he can do many things. He here as a subject, and then followed by can and infinitive. He can do many things. So this is called, the sentence called as stating ability. And the next one, can he drive? Yeah, I hope you can guess what kind of sentence is this. Yeah, this is a question. Can he drive? And Eri said that yes, he can drive. Yeah, so this sentence also called as responding to the question. Can he drive? Yes, he can drive. And then the next sentence, he can speak 10 languages. Yeah, this also called as stating ability. He can speak 10 languages. And the last one, he can even sew. Yeah, this sentence is also called as stating ability. He can even sew. Okay, the next explanation is about expressing about willingness. It is used to express someone's willingness to do something. And then the pattern is, if you want to make a sentence in the form of positive or affirmative, the pattern is subject followed by will and also infinitive. Yeah, this is the kinds of subject I up to they, and then followed by will or double L. Yeah, this is the short form of will, and then in the infinitive, send. Yeah, the example of the sentence, positive sentence here, he will send it, or I will send it, they will send it. Or if you want to use double L here, the way we pronounce the word or the sentence, I'll send it. It means that I will send it. Next, in the form of negative sentence, the pattern is subject followed by will not or won't and then infinitive. Yeah, the example here, I will not send it. He will not send it. Or the short form of will not is won't. The way we pronounce here, I won't send it. It means that I will not send it. Okay, asking about willingness. It is used to ask about someone's willingness to do something. And the pattern, the form of the sentence here is question. The pattern is will followed by subject and also infinitive. The example is, will I send it? Or will you send it? About the short answer or how we respond if someone asks you about your willingness, the short answer, the pattern is yes. If the answer is yes, the pattern is yes followed by subject and also will. But if the answer is no, the pattern is no followed by subject and won't. Won't here means that will not. For example, yes, I will not. Oh, sorry. No, I will not. Or yes, I will. Something like that. Or if the answer is no, don't forget to use won't or will not. For example, no, I will not. No, I won't. Okay, dialogue 2. Please read this dialogue. Okay, I will read the dialogue for you, but I hope you can practice it yourself while you watching this video. This dialogue is between Aldo and Tommy. What are you doing, Tommy? I'm fixing the wheels on my skateboard. Do you want help? I fixed the wheels on my skateboard yesterday. Thanks, but I can't do it myself. Do you know how to do it? Well, this is my first time. Will you be careful? You might hurt yourself. Don't worry. I'm sorry, I can't do it. A few minutes later. Oh, what's the matter? I cut my finger. You alright? I need some help. Will you help me? Okay, hold the board like this. Let's identify the sentence that called as asking or stating about willingness. Please have a look to this sentence. Will you be careful? This sentence is called as asking about willingness. Will you be careful? Next, will you help me? The sentence is also called as asking about willingness. Will you help me? Okay, it's time to do the exercise. Answer the questions based on the dialogue. Dialogue 1 and also dialogue 2 that I already read for you. Please do this exercise in Google Classroom. I already provide the question for you in Google Classroom. So don't forget to do that exercise. Alright, this is the end of this video lesson about asking and stating about willingness and also ability. I hope you can understand all the materials in this video. Before I close the lesson, let's say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video.